5 most extreme chiropractor patients.
Oh my God. Okay, now white strap is a thing, but
Oh my.
man, you gotta be careful. You can't just be trying to rip a guy's head off like that. I mean, that right there scares me. I mean, he needs an x-ray is what he needs. Now, I do white strap in the clinic, but you gotta ease into that thing. You can't just do that. Yep. Euphoria. It's broke.
I felt that all the way down into my ass. I've been like, man, I need that. I need that. And you need this.
You need
Jesus, that was
this.
good.
No, what you need is somebody who's responsible.